Gms Textiles Ltd is an entirely integrated and independent unit comprising of state-of-the-art composite knitting, dyeing, finishing, printing, and sewing units under one roof. Its modern facilities, along with our professional and dedicated teams, have made us what we are today, a renowned and reliable exporters of quality garments across the globe. Gms Textiles Ltd is a complete green project and one of the most modern composite knitwear factories in Bangladesh, located at Tanshutrapur, Kaliakoir, Gazipur, about 40 kilometers from Dhaka. The factory area is about 20 acres and the total number of employees is around 5,000 plus. We do all kinds of jersey, terry, fleece, and piqué to make tee, polo, and sweats for men, women, and children. The knitting has the capacity of producing 50,000 kilograms fabric per day. It is equipped with world-famous machines with the latest technology from Germany, Italy, Taiwan, Japan, and many more. Present capacity of our fabric dyeing and finishing section is 50,000 kilograms per day. We have 3 different sets of workers to run this section 24/7. The dyeing section is equipped with computerized high-temperature dyeing machines from Germany, Italy, and Greece for 100% cotton, synthetic, and synthetic blended fabrics. In the finishing section, we have computerized de-twisting and de-watering machines from Switzerland and Italy. We also have computerized tensionless steam dryer machine from Switzerland. With one of the best printing setups in the country, Gms Textiles Ltd can print 60,000 pieces per day in placement printing. We have 6 print tables and 4 oval print machines, including the latest ones like Pluffix dryer. We have light expose machines, interscreen, mixer unit, flash cure, Printo 6 and KDM 6, curing ovens, heat press machines, stone machines, and many more. All of the machineries are imported from Austria, Germany, Thailand, and China. Gms Textiles Ltd has an ergonomically designed cutting, sewing, and finishing floor. The sewing section is equipped with the latest model Japanese sewing machines, fabric trimmer, suction device, professional lighting, and safe electrical wiring by bus bar tanking systems from France, and many more. In the cutting section, we have Veet System, XLP50 Plotter, XLS50 Auto Spreader, and GT7 250 Auto Cutter by USA. Finally, the finishing section is equipped with an adequate number of vacuum tables and steam irons, including conveyor-type metal detectors to prevent the presence of any broken needles in the garments. Our mission is to achieve total customer satisfaction through quality assurance. The quality management system ensures that we achieve the desired levels of quality by factory inspection for each production accepted quality level. The AQL inspections check barcode tags, correct sizes, color, and design. Gms Testing Laboratory is an independent and autonomous lab. This lab is accredited by BAB Bangladesh Accreditation Board, which is also approved by most of the brands and has achieved Marks & Spencer Lab accreditation in 2020. Gms Textiles Ltd is a certified green factory with a capacity of 50 metric ton knitting, dyeing, and 32 swing lines. We have a biological ETP for wastewater treatment. We are working on zero discharge, which has potential to reuse the water in the future. We are doing sustainable products for most of our buyers, like special dyes and dyeing machines, which are used to reduce the water consumption during dyeing. We have adequate solar panels to produce around 350 kilowatt electricity, which adds up with the main power sources. Gms Textiles has a fully equipped medical facility with 4 full-time doctors and an ambulance. We also provide free medicines to the workers. We have a childcare unit where workers may keep their babies and infants, and there are large dining halls, canteens, fair shops, etc. for them as well. The factory is fully compliant with labor law and standard, maintaining all safety measures with regular fire drills. Gms Textiles Ltd has achieved LEED Platinum in 2019, including the mandatory certifications RAP, M4ABS-CI, ICS, SEDEX, HIG certification, and many more.